Good morning, classmate. Good morning, Ma'am Marian and Ma'am Joanna. I am Jen Vincent Sicovero from STEM 106 MIDAS. So, we'll discuss about the implicit differentiation. So, I have two examples here that I solved na. So, let's go. So, the first one is, our first equation is x squared plus y squared is equal to 81. So, paano nga ba siya solve? So, ayan na. So, paano natin siya solve? Using the power rule and the constant rule sa implicit differentiation. Kaya siya naging 2x plus 2y dy dx is equal to 0. So, itatranspose natin itong 2x para yung y na lang matira dito sa left side natin. So, 2y dy dx is equal to negative 2x. So, para makancel ang 2y, i-divide natin siya both side. Kaya ang makuha natin is 2y over 2y dy dx is equal to negative 2x over 2y. So, pwede pa natin siya i-cancel ulit. So, ang magiging final answer natin is dy dx is equal to negative x over y. So, number 2 example natin is 4x squared plus y cubed plus 3x squared y is equal to 0. Then ulit, gagamitin ulit natin yung power rule sa 4x squared and y cubed. And the rest din sa ibang sa equation. So, magiging sagot dito is 8x plus 3y squared dy dx plus 6xy plus dy dx 3x squared is equal to 0. So, bakit nga ba siya naging 6xy plus dy dx 3x squared? Because of the product rule. So, ayan siya. So, lahat ng may term lahat ng may variable na y, ililipat natin siya sa left side, yun yung sa kabila, ililipat natin. So, 3y squared dy dx plus 3x squared dy dx is equal to negative 8x minus 6xy. So, pagsasamahin natin yung 3y squared and 3x squared para yung dy dx natin is nandito siya sa left side natin. So, ang magiging sagot niya is dy dx parenthesis 3y squared plus 3x squared parenthesis or quantity is equal to negative 8x plus 6xy. So, para ma-cancel natin tong 3y squared plus 3x squared, we will divide it both side. So, magiging natin is dy dx quantity of 3y squared plus 3x squared quantity over 3y squared plus 3x squared. So, cancel siya. And magiging siya, sa right side naman is magiging 8x minus 6xy over 3y squared plus 3x squared. So, magiging final answer natin is dy dx is equal to 8x minus 6y over 3y squared plus 3x squared. Yun lang. Thank you.